this quick tutorial, I will show you how to lock and unlock your layer in Photoshop. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tips. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to lock layer in Photoshop. Okay, before you can lock a layer in Photoshop, it simply means that when you are working with a Photoshop design, or you are trying to design an element, or you are trying to edit a picture in Photoshop and you don't want to mess up around with some layer, you want to lock some layer while you want to remain some layer active. You can also lock group layer in Photoshop. So let's check them out and see how to simply lock your layer, whether a single layer or group layer in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive in. So the very first thing you need to do is to be sure that the layer is active. So let's start from the group 2 layer right here. So I'm going to make the layer active, then I'll click on this padlock right here. Boom, the layer will be locked. Then I will move to the next group right here. Boom, layer will lock. Let's check on the single layer right here. Boom, layer will lock. And the next to hit here, boom, layer will lock. The next to hit here, layer locked. And next to it, layer locked. Then you can begin to work on the remaining layer that was not locked. You are not going to mess around with whatever you are designing. So like the background right here, which is the next to the layer, you can see it remain active. So I can simply work on the rest of the layer while make some layer locked. So this is how to basically lock layer in Adobe Photoshop. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.